Babala ka ng ng Department of Education o DepEd, agawan ng permanenteng blended learning modality karang public schools. Agpangkan DepEd Undersecretary Michael Poa, apin ini nga kakit daw solusyon kang problema dikil karang kulang nga teachers ang pang classrooms.
On the part of DepEd, syempre po, no, we presented yung ating ring plan, no, to institutionalize blended learning, for example, in the Philippines as a permanent mode of delivery. We feel that alongside yung traditional solutions natin of hiring more teachers, building more classrooms to address the shortages, hindi po kasi mabilis o hindi nagagawa yan overnight. That's why these problems are still with us today.
Bukod kang solusyon kang classroom shortage, makasaup mo naman kano'y two-track approach bang misabi kang technological advancements in DepEd.
We are now going on a two-track approach wherein alongside the traditional solutions of building more classrooms and hiring more teachers, we also want to tap into technology. No, lessons we learned during the pandemic.
Metong in blended learning karang alternative learning modality sa ginamit ng DepEd ang misaral rin eskwela pauli ng COVID-19. Bistaman makabukulat na lang ni rin classroom, pamurin balaw sa tinuknang ng mebanggit a mode of learning. Kapilan pa mo ginamit demo naman iti kayang may apat aralang eskwela kay ni Central Luzon, bangay iwasan ni masyadong mapaling panahon karang classrooms. May nga kung naman ng DepEd abay day patupad yung programa, siguraduhan da pa mong epektibo iti at makayapekto kayang kalidad ng edukasyon kayang bangsa.
But of course, bago natin implement yan, kailangan masigurado natin na pag in-implement natin ay maging epektibo naman siya sa pag-aaral ng mga bata. Ayaw naman nating basta-basta mag-blended learning tayo and then quality of education suffers. That's why before we roll that out, we really want to ensure looking at best practices even in the private sector.
Arlene Salonga, CLTV 36 News.